everyone, it's Nicole, and if you're joining me today for National Scrapbooking Day or International Scrapbooking Day, have an awesome scrapbooking day. Come join me on my Facebook group. We're having challenges, prizes, and a ton of stuff going on. Plus, I'm doing a Facebook Live today at 10 a.m. Atlantic Daytime. So you can just Google, what time is it in Atlantic Daytime, and then you'll be able to see what time that is in your time zone. So I want to talk about the prizes that I'm going to be giving away. I'm going to be giving away 7 prizes. One of them is going to be for Canadians only, and you'll find out very shortly. 3 of them is going to be, I'm going to give away 3 free classes, and you can pick any one class that you want, and I'll send you that class. And the other 3 packages is some scrapbooking goodies. Now, Catherine from Crop and Create, as I was walking out of Crop and Create, she gave me some stuff to give away. So thank you, Catherine, so much for that. And now I'm going to pass it on to you. So she gave me 3 of the 6x6 paper pad. There's 24 sheets, and look how stinking adorable this is. And you know what my favorite thing is, right? It's got navy in it, so yay. So I don't want to open it because they're all closed, but they are, oh, and they're double-sided, yay. So that is from Pink and Maine. Ooh, I've never heard of them. That's cute. I'd never noticed that before. I just thought it was like Fancy Pants or something like that, but must be a new company. pinkandmaine.com. Cool, I'll have to look them up. Then what I'm going to do is this, you're guaranteed that is going to be in one of the giveaways. Now everything else, I'm just going to divide between the 3. And whenever I pick a name, I'll call this 1, 2, 3, and then you'll get whatever when I do the random draw. I have a Stampin' Up! Stamp that I'm going to give away. This is, for cards and stuff, and I don't really do cards. I've never used it, like it's brand new. So I'm going to stick that in one of the prizes. I have another 6x6 pattern paper pad from Dear Lizzie, Saturday. So brand new 6x6 paper pad. So one of the packages is going to have 2 of them. And then the other sort of, bigger things is this thicker. It's called Play, and it's wood veneer. How stinking cute is that? Now I have to say I might fold it like this to mail it, just so that it's not as expensive. And then I have 2 roller doodle. They're from Glitz, and one is a chevron and one is a camera. I ended up getting them in kits when I was getting kits, and I already had them. So I'm going to pass them on. So I'll put them in the 2 other kits that doesn't have the stamp. And then when I got my design team package last month, I had ordered some extra stuff. So I had ordered the Lotsa Llama, and then I ended up getting it in my design team package. So I decided to pass that along to one of you guys. So, okay, there's 3 things, 3 things, 3 things. So we'll start here. And then a few more things. The Chamel luggage tags and insert, and then the little stamp set. So we'll put this here. And then some puffy stickers from Amy Tangerine, and some jewel basic pearls from Stampin' Up! So we'll put that there. I might add, if I find some other little stuff, I might add a few little extra goodies. But basically, this is going to be, package 1, package 2, package 3. And one thing that I'm going to ask is that if you can put, if you are Canadian, if you can put CDN at the end, so that when I pick the next one, that I can make sure it goes to someone Canadian. So Catherine from Crop and Create also gave me this. It's Simple Stories Sub-Zero to give away to my subscribers. So it has some washi tape, and it has some die cuts. So this is the one that I'm going to send it to Canadians only, because I know, the postage is going to be a little bit much. So there you go. This is the 7th one. Oh, and I just noticed this one here, that was the Chamel thing too. So I'll put it with the Chamel things. And that's it. That's going to be the giveaway. So don't forget, leave a comment in all the videos. I'll have hopefully 6 process videos going up today. If not, it might be 5, but make sure I'll label them all, National Scrapbooking Day. And make sure you leave a comment in all the videos, and then I'll go and randomly pick 7 people to win some of these prizes. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.